fire up your wok. We're making a deep-fried whole bird from the Legend of Zelda, Tears of the Kingdom. Hey everybody, it's Hammy, and Tears of the Kingdom is out. Oh my god, and it's everything I wanted it to be. I hope that you are similarly excited for it. I cannot put the game down. And one of the things that I'm looking forward to doing, other than putting Koroks into really bad jalopies and getting them into car crashes, is trying all the amazing new recipes. There's tons of great new recipes. Chief among them is Hyrulean fried chicken. There's a few different styles. I'm gonna start with the top-notch one. I'm gonna start by frying a whole bird. Now, frying an entire chicken is dicey, all right? Because it's big, and especially in America, the breasts are really big. I'm talking about chickens here. And you can't get it to cook right. The dark meat will dry out. The outside coating will likely burn. So I'm not gonna do that. However, it's very easy to fry a Cornish game hen, which is a whole bird, all right? So this isn't cheating. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is thaw your Cornish game hen, and then using kitchen shears, you're gonna wanna rip out the backbone. Kind of like Scorpion. Scorpion rips out backbones, right? I don't know Mortal Kombat, but that seems like something you'd do. Lay the bird flat and put your entire weight on it until you hear like a crack. Great. Now dab it with a paper towel because you want it bone dry, and then we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. Put it over a rack and put it in the fridge for at least an hour. Ideally, you would do it for at least a day, but anywhere from 1 hour to a day is gonna get you to a pretty cool spot. Now we're gonna make a coating for the chicken. All right, in your biggest bowl, put in flour and cornstarch. All right, I'm gonna season it up. These are the seasonings I like. Half a teaspoon of each, keeps it nice and simple. Don't forget the baking powder. That's gonna make it nice and light. Whisk it all together. All right, now another secret ingredient here we're gonna use is vodka, because vodka makes light and airy crispy batters. Put a 1/4 cup into a measuring cup, and then top it off with seltzer until you have a cup. Do you need to use the vodka? No, you can use all seltzer if you want. In Tears of the Kingdom, there's an oil jar you can get. I have an oil jar, all right? And every time I'm done frying, I always put my oil through the oil jar because it filters it out. And I'm gonna fry my wok, because why not? Bring it up to 340 degrees. All right, now your chicken, you're gonna wanna lightly dust with flour. This is gonna help the batter stick to it. If you don't do this, it's just gonna slide around and it's gonna be just gonna make a big mess. You don't wanna do that. All right, you're gonna wanna add most of your liquid to the dry ingredients. Hold off a little. Whisk it in. You want the consistency to look kind of like heavy cream. All right, now dip your chicken in. Both sides. Carefully add it to your hot oil. Cook it for 10 minutes, all right? 5 minutes one side, 5 minutes on the other. But you're gonna wanna flip it every 2.5 minutes or so, just so it cooks evenly. While our chicken cooks, why don't you give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already, because I gotta tell you right now, there's gonna be a lot more Tears of the Kingdom recipes coming down the pipeline, and I don't want you to miss any of them, alright? By the way, if you have any suggestions for what you'd like me to make next, you can drop it in the comment section below too. After the 10 minutes are up, carefully drain your chicken. Now here's what I do. This chicken is gonna be fried twice, but at this point, it's pretty much done cooking. So what I do is I let it come to room temperature and then I put it in the fridge until I need to do it. A lot of times I'll do this in the morning and then I will finish it off for dinner, or I'll do it during my lunch break, or I'll do it, whenever I have free time. So it makes it a really good recipe for when you're entertaining or when you're having company over, because you can save everything for the last minute. All right, get your oil up to 350 degrees this time. And then we're gonna fry this chicken 3 minutes each side. Look at that bird. I usually take my biggest knife and I hack it right down the middle. Sound check, please. One half for me, and the other half for me too, because I really like this chicken. Deep fried whole bird is yummy. Thanks for watching. If you like that, check out my other Breath of the Wild Tears of the Kingdom recipes. Bye!